If you are running a drone photography business, then this video is especially for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your drone photography business. Now, managing tasks like sharing aerial photography codes, showing your portfolio and booking sessions manually can take a lot of time. But we can automate this whole process in 3 simple steps. First of all, we set up our chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Then user sends a message on WhatsApp and our chatbot instantly responds with the right information. If you also want to build this powerful automation for your business, then I'll take you to my screen for step-by-step process. So this is the chatbot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow, and before we begin the step-by-step process of how to build this chatbot, I'll show you the real-time example of how this chatbot works. For that, I'll take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we arrived on my WhatsApp screen. Now I will send a general message like hi. As you can see, our chatbot gets triggered by this hi message and responds us with this welcome message. Hey there, welcome to Skyview Drones, your go-to service for stunning aerial photography and videography. How can I help you today? And I'm getting 3 quick reply buttons: request a quote, view portfolio, and book a session. If I click on this first quick reply button, it has responded us with this message: sure, let's get a quick quote for your drones photography session. What type of project is this for? Now I will select this real estate. It is asking me for few information like location. Now it is asking me for preferred date. Now it is asking how long we need the drone team. And as you can see, our chatbot responded us with this welcome message. If I click on this back to menu button, I will redirect back to our welcome message. Now I will select this view portfolio button, and as you can see, I'm getting the complete portfolio. So that's how our chatbot works, and I have created this chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you also want to create this chatbot, then you need to type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. This will take you to the Pabbly's landing page. If you are a new user, just click on free sign up to create a free account. Since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and tap on sign in to log in. Now as you can see here, all the apps provided by Pabbly are visible on this page. We need to go to Pabbly Chatflow and then tap on the Access Now button. As you can see here, we are arrived on the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. You'll notice several options available here. On the left side, there are multiple features listed, and we will go through them one by one. So let's start with the first one, dashboard. It gives you a quick summary like total chats, active user, and overall bot performance. Next is the inbox. All your messages land here. You can reply to user in real time. Then comes contacts. This shows the list of people who chatted with your bot. You can check their details or group them. After that, we have team queues, useful if you work in a team. You can assign chats to team members. Next is template. There are WhatsApp approved messages to reach users who haven't replied in 24 hours. Then we have broadcast. Use this to send messages in a bulk for promotions or updates. Now comes flows. This is where actually we build our chatbot and set up the conversation. Next is AI assistant. It helps you faster with smart suggestions. Then we have activity log. Here you can track everything done by you or your team. After that, we have settings. Here you can control your account, chatbot preferences, and more. And finally, get help. This section has frequently asked questions, tutorials, and support if you need any help. On the dashboard, you'll notice 4 options: credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and WhatsApp number added. If you want to add your WhatsApp number, just click this button over here. You will get 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. You can choose WhatsApp Connect to integrate your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. You can choose Manual Token Connect to connect your WhatsApp number using Meta Access Token. If you would like a step-by-step guide, make sure to check out the detailed video over here. So now let's look at the process of creating WhatsApp chatbot. For that, you need to go to flow section. Here you will see flow builder page where you can view your total flows, active flows, and inactive flows. You'll find your pre-existing flows listed here, the ones you have already created earlier. Now you will see a button called add flow. Just tap on it and a new flow will be created. Before we start creating our chatbot, let's change the flow name first. Here as you can see, I've changed the flow name, and this is our starting point where our chatbot gets triggered by keyword, regex, or pre-approved templates. In the keyword field, you will enter the word that will trigger your chatbot to start. Regex stands for regular expression. It means whatever the user types that matches the pattern will automatically be captured. With choose template, you can select and use any pre-approved templates. We are going to use universal regex, which means it will capture any response typed by the user and trigger our chatbot automatically. To make sure it works accurately, we will enable case sensitivity using this option right here. Now let's start creating our chatbot. So first I will create a welcome message. For that I will drag and drop this option like this and select text plus button. Now I will create a welcome message. So here I've added a welcome message. Now in this message you can see these two asterisk symbols. Basically we are using these asterisk symbol to make our font bold and make more visually appealing to the user. We just need to type that text between two asterisk symbol and that font going to be bold. Now I will create three buttons, one to request a code, one to view portfolio, and one to book a session. So now I will create a response for our first quick reply button, which is request a code. For that I will drag and drop this hollow point like this and select text plus button. I've entered my message, and in this message I'm asking what type of project is this for. Now again I will add three quick reply buttons, one to select real estate, one to select events, and one for business. Now if the user selects any of them quick reply button, I want to ask a few questions from them and store their answer. For that I will go to this action and select this ask question node. Now I will create my question. In this question I am asking about their shoot location. Now I will select contact custom field. If you want to learn how to create contact custom field, you can check out the description box. And I will select format as any. Now I will connect these quick reply buttons to our question node. Now I will create another question. Here I am asking for their preferred date. Now I will select contact custom field and format as date. Now before creating another question, I will connect this question node to their previous message. Now I will create another question. And in this question, I'm asking about how long they need drone team. Now I will select contact custom field and format as any. Now I will connect this node to their previous node and create further message. For that, I will drag and drop this option and select text plus button. Now I will enter a message, and here is our welcome message. Now I will create another button to go back to menu, and I will connect this button to our welcome message like this. Now I will create response for our second quick reply button, which is view portfolio. For that I will drag and drop this option like this and select media. Now I will select media type as image. We can use image URL or we can browse that image in our files. As you can see, I have entered a image URL and our image is showing here. Now I will enter a caption. Now I will add few more images in our portfolio. For that, you just need to click on this add content and select again media. By using the same process, I've added two more images in my portfolio. Now I will add a button to go back to menu. And I will connect this button to our welcome message like this. Now I will create response for our third quick reply button, which is book a session. For that, I will drag and drop this ask question node like this and create our first question. In this question, I'm asking for their name. Now I will select contact custom field and format as any. Before proceeding further, I will connect this node to our third quick reply button from message node. Now I will add another question node to ask their shoot location. Select a contact custom field and format as any. Now I'm going to connect this node to their previous node and create another question. In this question, I'm asking for their preferred date and time. Now I will select contact custom field and format as date and again connect to their previous node like. Now I will create one more question node. In this, I'm asking for their contact number or email address. Select contact custom field and format as any. Now I will connect this node to their previous node. Now I will create customized thank you message. For that, I will drag and drop this option like this and select text plus button. Here is our thank you message, and in this message, as you can see, I'm using the dollar symbol followed by the particular contact custom field name. By using this pattern, we can show the data stored in the particular contact custom field name. For example, if the user receives this message, this area is replaced by their name and these areas are also replaced by their entered details. Our chat flow is completed. Now to save this flow, we just need to click on this save button. Now it's your turn to create this chatbot and try it for your business. So that's how you can build this powerful automation for your business. Not only this, you can create multiple chatbots for different purposes. If you have any doubts, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For queries, write it on forums.pabbly.com. For pricing related details, check out this link given over here. Now go and create WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.